Welcome to Teach Us, a channel that looks at online tools, platform, and resources for educators. Enjoy! Alright, so we're going to be looking at online tools today, specifically Expedition. It's a wonderful tool. It uses mixed reality, that is augmented reality and virtual reality. So this will make your online classes more dynamic and more fun. So let's get right into it. So for mobile users, all you have to do is go to Play Store, type in Google Expeditions, and the app will appear. Click download and you're good to go. So once you have done that, the next thing to do is to go straight to Expedition, and this is what your screen will be looking like. You may receive a prompt that will suggest that you may log in using your Gmail account, or you can use the app without logging into Gmail. So it's based on you. But for this app, you are able to conduct tours with your students, where you, the facilitator, would be the tour guide. Now, if you're going to be doing that, then you most definitely have to log in, and you will get a code that you'll give your students, and then the students will go along and join that tour. So let's just jump into what Expedition is, what it looks like, what can you do with it. So this is what it looks like. All right, so these are the different topics. So you use these to navigate Expedition based on what you want to do. If you're looking for something as it relates to arts and culture, you have different tours for that, different virtual realities, different augmented realities. And the app will tell you which reality you're able to view it in, or which reality that particular tour was done for. Those with AR means it's augmented realities. So right here you're seeing AR, and those with VR means that it's virtual reality. All right, so if you're looking at landscapes, same thing. You just tap on that tab and you're able to view the different items that falls under that: science, environment, world today, careers, etc. And there are many more than what you're seeing here. So all right, I'm gonna go right into science, or I'm just going to use my library. Now anything that you downloaded, it will be stored to your library. So these are the ones that I would have already utilized for my classes. Let's look at something a little fun, just so that you can see what it looks like. All right, so say you're teaching your students cells. Let's look at that one. This is what you'll see once you tap on it. So you have the option to view in AR or guide. I'm going to click view in AR. Now for this particular device that I'm using, I'm not able to use the augmented reality. So for those tours, I will be able to view it in virtual reality, right? So the beautiful thing about it is you can move it around. So it's not static. You can move it around, you can play around with it, you can zoom it up, right? Now for those persons who have the who have updated versions of their operating system that is greater than 10.0, what you'll do is you would have to print a QR code that is on the site. Once you print it, you would just place the QR code anywhere in your house where you want to view it from. You click on the virtual reality, and then the phone's camera or your tablet's camera will scan it, and then that image will actually populate in your space. So it would seem as if it projects out of your device and fill that space, and you're able to just move around. So that's what the AR component does. The virtual reality is just restricted to the device, so you're just able to view it that way. All right, so yeah, this is a cell, and it's showing you the different parts. Now it comes with notes, right? And the notes are differentiated based on the level that the students are at. So you have beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So there's some level of differentiation that you can use. So this is showing you what the nucleus looks like. Of course, you can zoom it in. So it's just showing you the different parts, the different cell organelles, what they look like. Right? So yeah, and it gives you the notes for each. So that's just one of the tours and what it's looking like. Let's try another one. All right, let's look at pregnancy. So for this one, you can view it in, this is a virtual reality. So if I should click virtual reality, it will show it to me. I can click the glasses at the bottom and I'll be able to view it as if I'm using virtual reality lenses or the goggles, right? And if the students have them at home, all they have to do is just place the phones inside of them and they'll be able to view. The notes is there, so you can play around with it. So let me come out of the virtual reality glasses or goggles and just view it using the tablet and not with the goggles on. So this is what it will look like. Hold on. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So it's showing me reproduction. It's giving me an intro. So this is what I'm talking as it relates to the differentiation. So you're able to see that there's a beginner's question there, intermediate and advanced, and it gives some background information there. So another feature of it is that for each sub-heading, once you click on it, it will bring you to that screen. So you're able to view it. So it's pretty interactive, right? Once you're finished with that topic, you can move on to another one, and this one is fertilization, and it's the same thing. So it's showing you the different components and giving you the notes on it. First trimester, so it shows you what the first trimester is looking like, the different weeks in the first trimester. It's giving you the notes on it. So it's a pretty decent app to use for classes, to make your classes, to bring your classes alive. For chemistry, so it's not just bio. There are a lot of applications, chemistry, physics, applications there that you can use it. This one is about matter, and it's telling you or showing you how the particles are arranged in solids. It goes to liquids and it shows you that as well, and it gives you the notes. So it helps the students to visualize it. It also extends the students' learning, so it shows them or introduces them to different states of matter and not just what they would be learning at this level, solid, liquid, and gas. It goes on to plasma and other states of matter. So it's pretty decent. It gives you changed state, how the different states of matter are changed, and it helps the students to visualize those different states. So that's a beautiful thing about this app that I really, really like. All right, now how do you get those QR codes? So you go to Marker, and this would be the QR code. So you just download it and then you're able to print it and then use it, and it gives you the instruction how to use it.